Hi, second graders. Today for math, we're going to play a game called Target Number and Hitting the Target Number. So you can access this game if your parents help you go under Red Clay Schools and go under to the remote learning program for second grade. And it has the game there with the directions, and it also has cards for you to cut out. And one of the cards, one set of cards says target number, and the other are cards that have the numbers 1 through 10. You could also do this using index cards and a marker at home if you don't want to actually go about printing it out. And so you're going to want to play with a partner, and I'm going to play with Courtney today. And the first thing that you're going to do is first you get your cards together, and then you're going to take the pile of target number cards. It's numbers 1 through 20, and they go in the middle of your playing area, just like that. And then each of us, each player has, Courtney wants me to tell you that they're upside down so you can't see the number. We're going to move them over here a little bit so we can spread our cards out. And then each player has cards that are numbered 1 through 10. Next, you're going to take just 5 of those 10 cards and play with them. So we're going to count out 5 that we're not going to use this first round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to put those 5 cards off to the side, and I'm going to use these 5 cards to play. Oh, they are stuck together. Okay, so I'm going to go first. Ready? Okay. So my target number is 15. So now I'm going to look at my cards and I'm going to see how I can add my numbers together to hit my target number, which is 15. So I have a 6, a 2, a 7, a 4, and a 9. Well, I know that 9 plus 4 more is 13, plus 2 more is 15. So 9 plus 4 plus 2 equals 15, which is my target number. So now it's Courtney's turn.
One over. My number is 13. I have a 7, an 8, a 3, a 6, and a 9. Let's see. A 3 and a 6 equal a 9. And I already have a 9, but that doesn't equal 13. So, this one's tricky.
This one, and look at one more that could go with it to reach your target number. 7 plus which one of these numbers will equal 13?
7 plus 6.
So what's that?
7 and 6.
So when you add 7 and 6 together,
they equal 13.
All right, my turn. My target number is 11. So I'm going to look at my cards again and see what I can do to reach 11. So I have a 2, a 4, a 9, a 6, and a 7. And I know that 4 plus 7 more equals 11. So I hit my target number. 4 plus 7, or 7 plus 4 equals 11. Courtney's turn.
Let's go for the second number. My target number is 12. I have a 7, a 6, a 9, a 3, and an 8. Let's see what I can do with these. A 9 and a 3 equals 12.
So Courtney hit her target number. So I think you get the idea of how to play. And I'll remind you one more time that you can access this through Red Clay Schools. It's also in the remote learning that your second grade teacher sent out to your parents. And if you want to print it from there to play the game, that you can do that, or you could take index cards or even just simply some type of paper and use a marker and write the numbers 1 through 10, and then the target numbers are 1 through 20. And you can practice trying to hit the target number by adding them together, or you can also work on subtracting them and play it that way as well. Okay, I hope you have a great day. Have fun playing.